quiet, power's gone, nothing's right. Cauldron cold, no more fire. Potions fail, dreams expire. Spirits whisper, call me liar. In the dark, lost desire. Purchase card, echo loud. Through the fog, through the shroud. Mystic force, once so proud. Now just whispers in the crowd.
Babalan TV.
Hello Libra, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for February the 15th to February the 21st reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Ano po? So, kung di po kayo makaresonate dito, baka nandun po ang inyong reading. No, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Magsimula na tayo. Libra, bakit parang medyo takot na takot tayo or meron tayong kinakatakutan, hindi man ito tao, pwedeng ito ay pangyayari, no? Situation, event. I feel like medyo nag-overthink tayo, no? Meron mga bagay na feeling ko meron talaga may insomnia na dito, no, Libra? Kasi maraming tumatakbo sa isip. At hindi natawag na parang naglalakbay diwa. Yung katawan mo, no, gustong-gustong magpahinga, pero yung utak mo, dire-diretso siya ng kakaisip. That I'm not sure of, this is because of takot na merong mawala, no? Maglaho, no? Again, this might be, a person or a specific event. Katulad na sinabi ko. Five of Pentacles. Ikaw ba ito? Natatakot kang umalis? Or natatakot kang merong aalis sa iyo? No? Or iiwan ka. Kung ito'y trabaho, well, nakakatakot nga naman. No? I think that's self-explanatory. Kung trabaho, mawawalan tayo ng trabaho. Syempre, mawawala yung pinagkakakitaan. So, paano na yung sumasandal sa atin, no? Yung mga binubuhay natin. Or, paano na tayo kung wala man kayong binubuhay yung sarili nyo, no? So, parang medyo kailangan na ba akong kumilos or kumikilos na ako pero bakit wala pa, no? Kung ito naman ay buhay, finances, sabihin nating medyo bakit parang feeling ko ang dulas-dulas ng pera, no? Dadaan lang sa akin, mawawala agad. I feel like or baka, meron akong iniingatan na specific na material things na natatakot akong mawala. It could also be a bag, no, shoes, yung mahal na gamit mo. Kung ito ay pamilya, okay, I might skip to the death part. I'm not predicting death. Although, pag personal, medyo nakakaano tayo. Pero, with regards to the general, I don't want to talk about, death. What I'm trying to say by leaving is someone might gonna go part ways with you. No, it could be a partner, it could be family members. Family muna tayo. Family. Let's say may aalis na naman, for abroad or feeling mo isang family members natin is mawawala ng matagal na panahon because of, their errands, no? So parang ayoko na siyang mawala, na gusto ko dito na lang siya, lagi na lang kami magkasama. Kung romance naman ito, I feel like medyo rocky yung situation. That I'm not sure of kasi meron ditong gusto makipagbate. So this might be you, this might be your person. Baka kasi sabihin nyo, no, ay baliktad po yung nangyayari. That's okay. What I am reading here is the dynamic. So itong taong gustong umalis, medyo gustong kausapin nitong gustong i-save yung relationship. Um, I feel like nakapag-explain, sinabi naman kung ano yung dahilan, bakit ayaw mawala. Kumbaga nagkaroon din naman ng reasoning bakit kailangan kong umalis. I feel like I am not happy anymore. Ang hirap kasi parang in contrast, no, itong situation na 'to. Yung isa, I'm not happy anymore, yung isa naman, mag-stay ka baka, mabago pa, kahit hindi tayo masaya. It might change, in the future and baka bumalik manumbalik, no? So, risking the time. Probably there's also some, sabihin natin ditong codependency. Maraming bagay puwedeng hindi kita kayang mawala dahil sa'yo ako umaasa. Hindi kita kayang mawala dahil sobra yung pagmamahal ko sa'yo. So, I feel like this is already a one-sided love, no? But then again, hearing you out or hearing someone, reasoning out, so I'm juggling. Um, I think that this is also a mirrored energy with the juggle part. Magkaiba lang, no? So, magkaiba lang yung take. Doon sa gustong umalis, okay, I'm listening. Imma try my best, no? Doon naman sa gustong magstay, I'm juggling kasi hindi na rin ako happy sa situation. Alam ko 'yon, no? Kumbaga, tanggap ko 'yon, open ako do'n. Pero the mere fact, no, baka meron din separation anxiety, no? The mere fact na, um, it might be the end of our relationship, parang hindi ko pa kakayanin or hindi ko kakayanin period, no? 10 of swords. So someone's really trying, but I feel like someone's faking it. And I feel like this is kind of like a burden. You're prolonging the agony of what? Um, of loneliness? Kasi kung isipin mo ha, kung doon din siya babagsak, sa separation, something to ponder today, no? Not sure, baka meron tonight, tomorrow, this afternoon, um, something to ponder. Kung doon din naman babagsak, ba't mo papapatagalin yung pain, 'di ba? Sayang yung time. Kung same pain lang din naman, no, siguro naghi-heal ka na, no? Pero since pinatagal, medyo mas mahirap. Hindi ba parang mas mahirap kung you're going day by day and you're having this shaky na situation. But if that works for you, kasi merong mga tao naman talaga na crossing the boundary of masochism or masochista. Sometimes they love pain, no? Meron talaga no judgment, may mga ganong tao. But let's see. So with the Five of Pentacles, merong taong gustong kumawala or iwan na lang, no, ang sitwasyon. Ayoko na mag-explain, parang ganun. With the Hangman, so, I think someone is risking kasi itong taong gustong umalis, I feel like nagdadalawang isip din naman. Kaya nga sabi ko dito, it might be a mirrored energy kasi I knew it with the Hangman. Bago lumabas yung Hangman na ito, I knew na parang hesitant din naman. Pero I'm taking risk, no? Parang walang mangyayari if I stayed. So the Hierophant and the Six of Cups. With regard to missing someone, so yun din, isa sa mga issues or pwedeng kino-consider is because I am going to miss you, I'm going to miss this connection with the Nine of Cups in here, the Empress. So parang may nagtatanong, ano bang kulang sa akin? Ano ba yung hindi ko pa nagagawa? Siguro kinakausap nitong person na wanting to stay. Ano ba yung pwede ko pang gawin? No? If there is something more that I can probably enhance, um, kung meron naman akong sobrang nagawa, probably I can adjust to it, no? Um, so the grip to the dynamic, parang sobrang, hindi naman siya sasakal, no? Pero parang nandun na kasi sa parang pinakalaylayan, no? Yung grip with the Two of Pentacles and the King of Wands. So, eto na naman ba tayo? Mag-explain na naman ba ako? So, parang, I feel like matagal na ito na pag-usapan, matagal na dapat nangyari. It just ends up with parang gulong, no? Um, babalik, away, magtitino ng konti, away na naman. With the Ten of Swords, feels like there will be a transformation that needs to happen with the Tower. And with the Tower, I feel like somewhat the separation needs to happen. At least, um, I think for the both of you to understand the dynamic of this relationship. Kasi kung paulit-ulit siyang nangyayari, paulit-ulit yung mga sitwasyon, ibig sabihin, hindi nag-grow. Walang ginagawang steps, no? Para to baguhin, enhance. And I feel like hindi mo kasi mabibigyan ng solusyon ang isang bagay na palaging nandiyan or palaging ginagawa. So with the Temperance and the Page of Cups, so I feel like someone here would love to try kumausap ng, pwede it could be, the marriage, ang tawag doon? Yung parang mediator. Let me know sa comment section. Yung parang nag-aayos, no? Pwede rin naman kumausap ng family members, kaibigan. There might be something that the other person is telling, bakit ganun yung kanyang take sa ganitong relationship. Pero with the Seven of Swords, I feel like, sino ba ang dinadaya natin dito? Dinadaya ba natin yung sarili natin? Parang break it to me gently. Pero mas malala to kasi someone wanted to break and someone don't want with the Knight of Swords. Parang feeling ko meron ditong third party, no, na involved, and well, that's for a few numbers of you, no. Again, this is general. Parang third party na involved na bigla na lang dumating, parang bagyo. Parang guguluhin yung naging maayos ng pagsasama. So, mahirap with the Ten of Wands kasi they are leaning to with the Seven of Wands. Ang tanong lang dito is masaya ka ba? Kasi sabi nga natin, 'di ba? Happiness is an inside job. We're trying to hold on to something na parang hindi na pwede. That's actually what I am seeing in here. So ibig sabihin nito, ang pinapabigat lang natin, no? There might be, again, in general, there might be something or someone that we are holding that's not working for us anymore. So, parang either nagdadagdag tayo ng kalat, no? Kung sa bahay ito, hindi naman na kailangan, sira na, para saan pa, no? Na nasa bahay. Kasi hindi na siya nagagamit, hindi naman magagamit. Yeah, I feel like there's some separation anxiety in here. There's grip. So, tingnan natin, parang medyo kasi pinapahirapan mo yung sarili mo. Yun yung nakikita ko dito. Parang pinapahirapan ninyong dalawa ang isa't isa. Maybe not in physical form, pero emotionally, that's something that we need to probably consider. Am I happy? Baka kasi maging masaya tayo kapag tayo lang mag-isa. No? Let's check some more cards here. So, Libra, gusto ko lang po ipaalala sa inyo na doon po sa kabilang channel, no, doon po tayo nagla-live. So, pwede po kayo magtanong doon, and kung di nyo po maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero Libra, meron din po tayong mga readings doon, no? So, kung hindi kayo naka-resonate dito, baka nandun po ang inyong reading. Pero this week, with the February 15 and the 21st, inuna ko muna to. Usually, nauuna kasi yun. Pero inuna ko muna to, so wait for a few days, baka, i-release ko na rin po yung doon sa kabila. Ayan. So, kung hindi naman kayo sa satisfy, sa yes or no na sagot lang, dito po sa comment section, dumiretso na po kayo dun sa ating website. Click the link sa description box po. You'll be routed to my website. Makikita nyo po din question form, amount per question, name, number, QR code for your reference. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. So, kaninong energy ito? I need to sort things out first before I can come to you. For a few numbers of you na meron ng separations, I think someone here needed space. Parang kailangan ko muna ng espasyo ko, kailangan ko muna ng time, kailangan ko muna yung sarili ko. No? And then once everything is clear, probably that's the time I can return. So tingnan natin dito ang energy, no, or message ng universe for you. Trust the wait. So you are being prepared for your blessings. In order to receive, you have to be ready to receive. Things you are going through now are not random. Trust the flow of the universe. So parang sinasabi lang dito, wag ka nang lumaban, no, sa flow kasi meron something in store for you, no, na parang you're gonna celebrate. Believe in the process because you are guided at meron talagang mga sitwasyon na hindi natin mapipigilan pero sabi nga nila, 'di ba? If a door closed, a window opens. So let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Now, this can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I am seeing Leo, Pisces, uh, Sagittarius, Scorpio, Taurus, Virgo, Cancer, Capricorn. Yan. So this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
You want the best of my heart, you just gotta see the